Hey there, my name is Charlene Davis, and I am coming to you today from my home office here in the state of Wisconsin, where I live with my husband and my two daughters. And I wanted to talk to you a little bit today about how so many people in our group are earning $100 a day, $200 a day, and $500 a day. And it's not just one or two people who have been doing this the longest. It is a lot of people. And I wanted to just talk with you a little bit about how are they generating that income when so many others are not successful. First of all, we partnered with a great program, the Power Lead System. It has been around for 10 years. It's been a solid company. They pay commissions every single Wednesday and they pay commissions on time. They've never ever missed a payment. Okay. And again, they've been around 10 years, so they're a solid company. That's the first thing. They're not going anywhere. The second thing is, the training that the company offers you. So not only does the training come from the company, but we have a team of people who also created our own training for our own team. So let's talk about the Power Lead System. First of all, when you come in, we send you a quick video to help you set up your funnel. It literally takes you 5 minutes to get your funnel set up, maybe 10 minutes. And you can begin driving traffic to that funnel very, very quickly. It doesn't take days. It's not complicated. It is a simple video that we send you. You can purchase your own domain here. Bam, done within a couple of minutes. Become an affiliate. Bam, done within a couple of minutes. Add your picture. Then you can upgrade to these other levels to increase your earning potential. Okay? So if you want to make $100 a day, you need to, even $400 a day, you need to at least be a diamond in this business. Platinums will earn you $400 commissions, and Master Traffic Institute is a new level which will earn you $1,000 commissions. However, come in where you can, get started where you can. It doesn't matter. I always tell people you just have to get started to earn. If you do nothing, you will get nothing. So you need to just get started and plug into the trainings that we already have. So that's how you get started. So once you get your funnel set up, and again, I will email you a video on how to do that. Next, we will link that funnel to a built-in autoresponder program. We have a built-in autoresponder already with all of these email messages that you can attach to your funnel. So most of us, after we've been doing this a little bit longer, you will have different funnels for different things, and you can set them up really, really quickly, and you will maybe attach a different autoresponder campaign, and those are all emails that are done for you already. However, I can go in and I can edit any of these messages. So I can put my own personal spin on there, put my pictures, put my own information, and make it very personal from me. And that is very, very important when people start to get your follow-up messages. So autoresponder built in. So real quickly, you're going to get your funnel set up. We're going to take a look at your autoresponder. After that, then we learn how to promote our business. So once people start coming to your funnel, they're going to start receiving your autoresponder. Those contacts, we have a contact manager in here. You can look up each of those people and communicate with them via email is mostly how we do it, but it has all of the tools that you will need in here. Then we talked a little bit about training. So we have training in our back office. We have a training area that goes through how to do different things within the program and how to create different types of custom capture pages and custom funnels and all of those things that are a little bit more advanced as you go. Then we want to get you into learning how to create free leads. So you definitely want to go through this training to get free leads. And then we also have a Facebook page. And that Facebook page is right here. Sorry, I was on the wrong page. Our Facebook page is right here. And it's our Freedom Takers group, okay? We call this Freedom Takers because almost all of us are trying in some way to take our freedom back, whether it's quitting our 9 to 5, creating some financial freedom, trying to get out of debt, all of those different things. And we need each other to accomplish that. So I want you to know that you are not alone in this. I will help you. The other team members in Freedom Takers will help you. We want to see everybody become successful. So within this page, you'll see all the new members that are coming in, lots of new gold members, and that's the base affiliate level. There's a new diamond level, so they'll be able to earn $100 commissions. But I wanted to see if some people posted some of their results from this last week. So here, this gal, she just this last week, she had a diamond member. That's a $100 commission. Gold member, diamond member. Gold members are $20 residual commission. So not only will you make the one-time commission, but everybody as an affiliate pays a monthly fee to the Power Lead system, and anybody that comes in underneath me as a gold will earn me a $20 residual commission every single month. So, and that is also how we are earning the $100 to $500 days, because we have new gold members coming in on a daily basis, plus those gold members stick with the program for a long time, and now you're earning a residual income. Let's go back down here. This gal, she woke up to an email, and this is how we get notified that she received a payment. So it was payday last Wednesday on the 6th. That was her email. Here we go. This was another commission here in 1 week. And you're not going to get to that point overnight. You have to start somewhere, and we all start with 0. So those that have been working this program, 6, 9 months, or a year are making $1,000 or more per week. And at first, you're going to spend a lot of time working and building your list and your pipeline. And you eventually, if you are consistent for a good 90 to 100 days, you too will be making $100 or more per day. Okay, let's see if I can find anything else in here. This is just someone who talks about being consistent. She had 27 new leads. Someone else received a payment from the Power Lead system. So there are a lot of other people. Paul here made $4,000 last week. He again has been doing it a little bit longer. But it is possible. So I don't care who you are. Tiffany here, I know she's relatively new, and look at all these leads that she came in. I don't know how well you can see these, but these are all new gold members that came into her business, and they will pay her a $20 residual income. So you can build this relatively quickly if you're willing to put in the work and follow the instructions. So subscribe to my YouTube channel. The link will be below this video. Connect with me on Facebook. Check out the video to learn more about this great opportunity. And once you connect with me on Facebook, we can chat a little bit, find out what your goals are, what you need to achieve, and we'll get you in the Freedom Takers group, because you can start accessing some of the additional training over here in our files section. We have a lot of different training materials for you in there as well, in addition to the back office to the Power Lead system. So I look forward to connecting with you, and have yourself a great rest of the day.